Hi, this is Jorge Gonzalez with Team Data of 8 and Keller Williams Realty in Miami, Florida. Home prices are projected to rise in most markets in 2026, but whether your home benefits depends entirely on where you are and how you're positioned. I often talk to homeowners who say, I checked Zillow, so I know what my house is worth. And I understand why. It's quick, it's convenient, and it gives you a number right away. But here's the issue. National headlines don't price your house. Your local market does. And in a market where every neighborhood is moving differently, relying on one automated estimate can cost you thousands. Sometimes those numbers are close. Sometimes they're not even in the ballpark. With conditions varying from one zip code to the next, even a small pricing mistake can mean leaving serious money on the table. Determining your home's value isn't about grabbing one number. It's about combining data, injecting local insight, and having a professional strategy. I'm going to walk you through how to do that the right way. Number one, start off with online valuation tools. Automated valuation models that you might find on websites like Zillow and Redfin do give you a quick starting point. They pull from public records and recent sales to generate an estimate within seconds. They're helpful because they give you a general starting point, but just remember, these tools can't see your home's upgrades, layout, or current condition. Treat that number as a reference point and not as a pricing strategy. Number two, analyze recent comparable sales. Next, look at recent comparable sales, often called comps. Review 3 to 5 similar homes that sold in your neighborhood within the last 90 to 180 days. Focus on similar square footage, similar age, layout, and overall condition. Sold homes show what buyers were actually willing to pay, which is far more useful than looking at active listings on the market. This is where working with a real estate professional makes a difference. Most public websites don't show price reductions or buyer concessions or market trends behind the sale. We can see the full picture and interpret what those numbers really mean for your house. Number three, evaluate condition and buyer preferences. After reviewing comps, take an honest look at your home's condition. Two homes of the same size can sell for very different prices depending on updates and maintenance. Renovated kitchens, updated bathrooms, or a newer roof can increase the value. Needed repairs or outdated finishes can lower the value. Layout matters too. Buyers are giving priority to functional flow, usable space, and home office options more than just square footage. Your realtor can help you assess your home objectively and determine how today's buyers are likely to view it. And number four, consider a professional CMA or comparative market analysis or appraisal. To pull everything together, request a comparative market analysis or a CMA. A CMA factors in recent sales, current competition, condition, and real-time buyer demand to create a pricing strategy tailored to your home. If you need a formal valuation for refinancing or legal purposes, you'll need a licensed appraiser, and a licensed appraiser can provide a detailed report based on an in-person inspection. But if your goal is to sell or plan your next move, a real estate professional, a realtor, gives you both accurate data and a strategy built around your local market. While national headlines may say home prices are rising, real estate is always local. Inventory levels, buyer demand, and neighborhood trends all influence your home's true value. If you want to know what your home is really worth in 2026, book a free one-on-one call with me, and I'll help you prepare a personalized home value analysis based on recent sales, buyer activity, and your home's specific features so you have clear numbers and a smart plan. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future market updates and pricing strategies. Again, I really appreciate you watching these videos. I hope you got a lot out of this one. If you ever need anything, you know how to find me. Call me, text me, email me. And until next time, I appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.